What's up, folks? This is Detroit Miracle, and I am chilling in the rainy session. Oh, yeah. And now it's coming down. It's raining heavy, but it's no lightning or thunder with it. I sort of feel like I'm at a lack of two major things in regards to rain. I sort of miss it. You know, when you hear a heavy rain, you usually also are made aware of lightning and thunder. Yeah. I must say that I am sort of addicted to it because growing up as a little boy through my childhood, when it rained heavy, it usually thundered and lightning. So it would give me a light show and something to bestow my ears on as well. Hey, I didn't care about getting wet and soggy though, but nevertheless, they put on a show for me. Oh, it's coming down heavier now. Look at the streets. The streets are filling up with water. So now the other night critters and creatures can go swimming. And there is also plenty to drink right now out there. At least I don't have to worry about none of them knocking on my door saying, "Hey, Detroit Miracle, can you give me a glass of ice water?" Yeah, they're bold enough to do that. And some will say, "Hey, just put my ice water in a bowl, would you?" You hear that? Hear that powerful rain? Whoa, look at those streets. Now that's what I'm talking about. The sky is so dark, I cannot see not a single drop. Yeah, the sky sort of hides it, but the streets reveal it. Yeah, I must admit that all of this rain is making me thirsty. So I'm gonna make that move now and get me a tall glass of something. Peace out, folks.